mo kami pa seminar. Dito kami ngayon sa Dapaport. Ito yung Dapaport. Dito sinasakay yung mga malaking sasakyan. Yeah.
So, kung gusto niyo po mag-toilet,
nandito na tayo sa Socorro, Bocas Grande Island. Hey po, tour guide namin.
Yes po, ako nga po pala si Chucky, your tour guide today. Welcome nga po pala sa aming Isla Bocas Grande, Socorro. So, diretso po tayo dito, sir, para makapag-take po kayo ng snacks. We call it Pandi Totoy. Meron din po kaming juice po, sir.
Okay.
Hi.
Welcome to Socorro, Bocas Grande Island.
Diretso po tayo dito, sir.
Salamat po. Uy, may parang
Our local delicacy here, we call it Pandi Totoy po, sir.
Pandi Totoy.
May juice din po kami, sir. So, pantayin dito na. So, mag-take na lang po kayo ng snacks para dire-diretso na po yung biyahe natin.
Sino po walang cellphone?
Super.
may tinapay. Welcome snack. Meron silang pa welcome drinks. So, bago makapunta sa Sohoton, panibagong bangka ang ating sasakyan.
By the way, I am Chaka Isdal, your tour guide today. And here is my assistant.
Hello everyone, my name is RV, you are his assistant tour guide for today.
Perfect! Okay, ma'am and sir, talking our itinerary from here in our Lungsod Socorro, going to Sohoton, it takes one hour maximum. Okay, so after that, we will transfer another small boat. So for a small boat, the capacity is 6 person only. Okay, so since you are 34, so we will divide you into a different group. So for one boat, the capacity is 6 person only. So you have to group yourselves by 6 person. Pagdating natin sa may Sohoton Cove. Okay. So to explore the 3 major activities there, namely the jellyfish sanctuary, the cliff diving, and the Hagukan Cove. Okay. So for 3 major activities there, it takes 2 hours maximum to enjoy the 3 major attractions in Sohoton Cove. Okay. So after that, we will get back to the Sohoton reception. Then we will going to Tiktikan Resort for our lunch. Okay. So for lunch nga po pala natin, may mga iba't ibang pagkain. Marami pong like seafood, pork, and chicken, and etc. May fruits din po, syempre. Then, of course, the soft drinks, chares. Okay. So, may seafood din po, sir, like shrimp, like shark, chares. May jellyfish din po. Chares lang po yan, sir and ma'am. So, after that, after natin mag-Tiktikan Resort for your lunch, I will give you enough time to enjoy Tiktikan Resort, of course. And then after that, balik na naman po tayo for Socorro, then Dapa na naman po, sir. For Socorro, another 1 hour, then Socorro to Dapa, another 1 hour. So it takes 2 hours maximum. Is that alright?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's go! Socorro nga po pala, deserve the name Socorro, and from the Spanish word Socor, it means to help. Okay, so Socorro is part of Siargao because Siargao has 9 municipalities and this Socorro is the only separated among 9 municipalities. Then Socorro has 14 barangay. We have Barangay Navarro, Rizal, and Tarok. So that 3 barangay is the center of our lungsod, Socorro. Okay.
Ano yung kapihan? Talagang may farm sila ng kape doon o
Hindi po, sir, name lang po yun ng kapihan po, sir.
Okay.
Po yan nila.
Pangalan mismo ng lugar.
Yung nag-viral po kasi si Senior Aguila, si Senior Aguila po kasi yung paniniwala na Panginoon po siya. Kaya yung mga tao is sumasamba sa kanya. Ikaw sumapit ito. Bitaw, hindi po ako kasabi sa kanilang judgment. Sir, diretso na po tayo.
Okay, so everyone, we are now here at the Sohoton reception area, and welcome to Sohoton Cove. Okay, so here you can find peace, serenity of the mind, tranquility of the soul, and simplicity of the heart. Reminders, always bring your things with you, especially the important one. But if you don't want to bring it, just remain it on the boat, okay? The second one, have always someone with you all the time. And the lastly, take extra careful inside Sohoton Cove, but rest assured that there are experienced guides that can assist and facilitate you during the whole duration of your activities. Okay? Are you all excited? Yes! If I will say, are you excited? Joe will say, Are you excited? Perfect. Once again, my name is RV, saying you can take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, and kill nothing but time. Enjoy swimming, have fun, and experience the best of Sohoton Cove.
Hey! Baba na tayo.
Okay, baba na sila. Okay, everyone, pwede na po. Let's go!
So ito yung docking station ng Sohoton Cove.
Wala pa ito dati. Kahoy lang ito.
Ano?
First time na din pa magsuhot.
Oo. Kayo din?
Ako first time.
First time.
Kaya ang dami kong tanong eh.
Ako two times. Ang lamig ng hangin dito. All of us?
Baka pwede umupo sa harap ng iba.
Yes.
3, 4, 5. Nombre. Imo, hanay mo yun na.
Where are you girl?
Pahuli na tayo para yung gamit may ko sa ilalim.
English sa Tagalog.
So welcome to Sohoton Cove, Bukas Grande Island. So when we say Bukas Grande, so that is the whole name of the island. So before starting the tour, so I'm a volunteer tour guide in Soton Cove. So by the way, I'm Jobert. An expert operator. Kuya, kilala ko. Kuya
Jobert and Jomar, parehong Joe.
Jojo.
Jobert and Jomar. Okay, so from here, what have we going to entrance of Soton Cove? We have 5 or 6 minutes before the entrance of Soton Cove.
So this is our group, the group 1.
Hello. Hi guys, welcome to Siargao.
Then we're entering.
What's your name, guys?
What's your head?
Yeah, we made it.
Swim with the jellyfish. This available jellyfish is moonlight jellyfish or transparent jellyfish, non-sting jellyfish, or friendly. Hindi natin silang hawakan, huwag lang kainin.
There you go. Oh, yun ang jellyfish, kuya.
Jellyfish, like a jelly.
Siya, oh. Yung pala itsura nun. Kuya, lapit ko nga konti ito. So, transparent talaga siya, no?
Oh, transparent.
Para try na nating mag-dive. Tignan natin sa ilalim kung gaano kadami ang mga jellyfish. Bye!